everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. Today I want to talk about donations for toy drives. So we're getting to the point of the year where we're getting close to Thanksgiving, holidays are coming up, and there's a lot of kids out there who maybe aren't going to get Christmas toys. So one thing we do is we help. This is a local thing to Minnesota. There's a company called Prism, and they have a really cool holiday toy drive, and they collect new toys in the box, and they give those away to kids who maybe aren't going to get Christmas toys. So here's what I want you to do. This is your tip of the week. This is going to help you declutter your home and also help a whole bunch of kids who need Christmas presents. So go take a look through your gift bins, your storage bins. Do you have new toys that are just taking up your precious space? And if they are, let me know. Send us a message. We're going to get those toys to the kids that need them. So anyway, this toy drive is going to until December 8th. So we need them before then. So a little time sensitive, but that's the tip. Go through, get those new toys. Let us know. We can come pick them up, get them there. Be happy to help you out. So thank you for joining this week's Just the Tip, and I'll see you next week.